Have you ever been in a situation where someone says, "Tell me about yourself," and your mind just goes blank?
Oh yes, you want to sound confident, but suddenly your brain says, no English today.
Don't worry. In today's video, we're going to fix that together.
Yes, welcome to our beginner-friendly English conversation where you'll learn how to talk about yourself confidently, step by step.
We'll teach you how to introduce yourself, talk about your family, your hobbies, your daily routine, and even your dreams.
And the best part, you'll practice real English sentences that you can use right away.
So stay with us till the end, because by the end of this episode, you'll be able to speak about yourself naturally and confidently.
And before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our next English conversation video.
All right, let's begin. Okay, John, let's start simple. How do you introduce yourself in English?
Hello, my name is John. I am from England. I am an English teacher.
Great. Now my turn. Hi, my name is Mary. I am from Canada. I am a content creator and English trainer.
Nice. You can also add your age if you want. Like, I am 28 years old.
Or, I am 21 years old and a university student.
Now, everyone watching, let's practice together. Repeat after us. Hello, my name is. Then your name. I am from. Then your country. I am a. Then your job.
Excellent. See, easy and clear.
Remember, say it slowly, smile, and speak with confidence.
All right, now that you can introduce yourself, let's learn how to talk about where you're from.
You can say, I am from United States. I live in California. My hometown is Washington.
Good. And here's another way I was born in. I grew up in. I currently live in.
Let's make it a mini conversation. Mary, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto. What about you, John?
I am from England, but I live in United States now.
Wow, that's interesting. Why did you move?
I moved for work and new experiences.
See, that's how simple it can be. Even if your English is basic, these sentences help you sound fluent.
Let's give our viewers some examples to practice. I am from Ethiopia. I live in Japan. I grew up in India. I currently live in the United States.
Perfect. And if you want to sound friendly, add a short comment like, "It's a beautiful city. People are very kind there. The food is amazing."
Especially if it's spicy food.
Don't be afraid to show your personality. When you talk about yourself, your story matters.
Okay, Mary, let's move to one of my favorite parts, talking about family.
Yes. Everyone loves talking about their family.
Here's the basic pattern. There are a number of people in my family. I live with my parents. I have one brother and two sisters.
Let's try an example. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
Nice. I have a small family. There are 3 people in my family: my wife, my son, and me.
You can also say, my father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. My brother is a student.
Great vocabulary practice. Let's do a quick repeat session for our viewers. There are 5 people in my family. I live with my parents. My sister works in a bank. My brother studies computer science.
Excellent. When you describe your family, try to smile and use simple sentences. It shows confidence and warmth. Now, let's move to something fun: hobbies.
Yes, talking about what you love is a great way to connect with others.
Let's teach some useful expressions. I like. I love. My favorite hobby is. In my free time,
For example, I like reading books. I love playing football. In my free time, I listen to music. My favorite hobby is cooking.
Perfect. Okay, John, what's your hobby?
I love gardening. It relaxes me. What about you, Mary?
I love singing and watching movies, especially romantic comedies.
That's cute.
Let's help our viewers make senses. I like reading. I love dancing. In my free time, I play games. My favorite hobby is drawing. Great. Now, try to say yours out loud. Don't just watch, speak with us.
Exactly. Speaking is how you build confidence.
We've learned how to talk about where you're from, your family, and hobbies. Now, let's dream a little.
Yes, let's talk about your goals and future dreams.
You can say, my dream is to become a teacher. I want to travel around the world. My goal is to speak English fluently.
Or even, in the future, I want to help people. One day, I want to start my own business.
Beautiful. Let's do a role play. John, what's your dream?
My dream is to visit every country in Africa
Wow, that's amazing. Why?
because I love learning about new cultures and people.
That's wonderful. My dream is to open an English learning school for beginners.
Oh, that's inspiring. I'm sure you'll do it.
Thank you, John. And to everyone watching, remember, your dream matters.
Yes, it doesn't matter how big or small it is. What matters is that you believe in it.
You did it. You just learned how to talk about yourself in English like a pro.
Yes, let's quickly review what we learned today. Introduce yourself, talk about where you're from, describe your family, share your hobbies, express your dreams and goals.
Great job. Remember, practice a little every day. Maybe record yourself or talk in front of a mirror.
And don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward fluency.
Exactly. Confidence grows when you keep trying.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Because your support helps us create more fun English learning podcasts for you.
And tell us in the comments, what's your dream?
We'd love to read your answers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.